Yeah, it's Joanne. So I love these timeless, beautiful bathroom light fixtures. They are perfect over my vanity mirror. Now these are brushed nickel and they're 3 light fixtures. They're great for updating any bathroom. I think they have a really nice, classic, clean design and can work with any kind of decor style, maybe vintage or traditional or even modern farmhouse. The etched white glass domes give off a nice, soft, even glow that really lights up the space without giving harsh glare. It's really cool that you can choose to hang these facing up or facing down, whichever one you like. Now, I have mine facing down because I want it more of a clean, traditional vanity look. But either way, I think they would look amazing. The quality of the light fixtures are really solid. They're not flimsy at all. You can use any standard bulb in them, so you don't have to have a specialty bulb that you have to worry about. I have the 2 fixtures over my vanity mirror, and they really fit perfectly in the space. Gives the room a nice, classy, elegant feel. They are well made, they look great, and they give off excellent light. I love them.